Video dispatch is a crucial feature of iConvNet that significantly improves the efficiency of daily operations. In the event of a traffic accident, witnesses contact the police station for help. The dispatcher uses GPS to locate the scene of the accident and sends job tickets to on-site officers who can handle the situation. Once the officers arrive, the dispatcher can make a video call with the on-site officer to understand the situation clearly. Every minute counts, and the dispatcher can access to urban CCTV and forward to the driver through iConvNet to provide the most effective route to the scene. In case of complex on-site situations that require support from headquarters, on-site personnel can make a video conference with headquarters via iConvNet to ensure better handling. With the help of video dispatch, the handling of accidents is done with high efficiency, and the traffic order is restored promptly.